I see a Chinese-inspired lidded box sitting there. Do you?
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Wolf Ridge Woodworking. So happy to see your smiling faces this morning. It's a beautiful spring day here in Phoenix and I'm very excited about this project. I don't know about you, but I get these ideas in my head and sometimes they show, when it's accurate what I make and sometimes it's not, but that's okay. That's part of the adventure. So as I said in the intro, I've got a vision of a Chinese-inspired lidded box. So let's see if we can turn this piece of spalted red alder into a box. So what I want to do is I want to put some marks on here to say kind of where things go. So let's take out our ruler and let's see, we've got about a little over 2.5 inches. So what I want to do is the lid's almost as big as the bottom is. So let's go maybe like 1.5 inches. And this is where I'm going to part it off. And then let's go somewhere in between here, like here, and this is going to be the middle of where the curve goes. So let's say that's where it's going to part off, and then let's give it a, I don't know, something like this is where the, that's how big the piece is going to go and sit inside. Hopefully that makes sense as I start going. everything is done on the inside, and now we just need to finish off this end. So let me see, I may have to change jaws. I'm gonna try to grab it from the inside gently just to kind of finish off this foot. I just want to bring this edge in to meet the bottom. I'm gonna leave the foot, I'm gonna clean this bottom up a little bit, and that's what we want to do. But I may have to change jaws because I don't think, yeah, this one's not gonna reach. So let me change the jaws. I'll be right back. Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun for me. Off camera, I was trying to use my belt sander, my disc sander, I should say, to take this off, and it came out of my hands and got caught between the sander and the surface. But anyway, so it got hung in there. I got a little groove in there, but it's character. That's what I'm going with. But I think it turned out nicely. I think that, you know, hopefully you can see the Chinese or Asian inspired. Just a couple of things. If I were to do it again, I would probably make this a little bit taller. So about that high. And then this lid would be a little bit thicker, and it would, you know, I wanted it to come up and be a little thicker up towards the center. And I think that would have just set it off and made it look better. All in all, though, I'm really pleased with it. So I hope you enjoyed it, like I said. And if this is something that you want to see other videos, you know, click here. There's some more for you to see. If you're not a subscriber, click up here to become a subscriber. Click that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you.